The vast oceans that cover more than 70% of our planet are more than just massive bodies of water. Beneath their shimmering surfaces lie ancient secrets, forgotten civilizations, unexplainable anomalies, and puzzling discoveries that challenge the boundaries of science and logic. For thousands of years, humans have looked at the sea with both admiration and fear, seeing it as a source of life, a highway for exploration, and a mysterious abyss that swallows ships, planes, and even entire cities. While we've explored more of space than the ocean floor, what we have discovered underwater is enough to spark wonder and raise countless questions. So buckle in as we dive deep into the most fascinating, eerie, and mind-bending underwater discoveries humanity has ever made. Statues in the abyss. The Atlantic Museum. Let's begin off the coast of Lanzarote, one of Spain's Canary Islands. At first glance, the surface waters here are calm and peaceful, hiding what appears to be just another ordinary stretch of ocean. But plunge beneath the waves, and you'll encounter something unexpected, a haunting underwater crowd frozen in time. Dozens of life-sized human statues, eyes empty and gazes fixed, march forward in eerie silence. Near them lies a ring of intertwined human forms. To the untrained eye, it might appear to be a sunken remnant of an ancient civilization. But take a closer look, and you'll notice that some of these figures hold modern devices like cameras. This is, in fact, a contemporary art installation. The Atlantic Museum, an underwater gallery created by artist Jason Deacon. While not an ancient ruin, it raises a fascinating idea. What if, centuries from now, future civilizations or alien visitors stumbled across this eerie crowd? Would they, too, mistake it for the ruins of a lost world? Even so, today's oceanographers have indeed uncovered real statues submerged under mysterious circumstances. The lost Egyptian city Heracleion, just off the northern coast of Egypt, lies one of archaeologists' most breathtaking underwater finds. The lost city of Heracleion, known to the Greeks as for centuries, it was considered a mythic place, mentioned only in ancient texts, much like Atlantis. But in 2000, French underwater archaeologist Frank Gaddio made a discovery that would change that. Hidden under 50 meters of water near Abu Qir Bay, the city had been sleeping beneath the waves for 1,200 years. Now slowly revealed by modern excavation efforts, it features an incredible array of artifacts. Statues of the goddess Isis, temples, enormous granite columns, inscriptions in Greek and Egyptian, and even remnants of ancient ships and royal palaces. One massive slab of black granite bore the city's true name. The site's preservation is so pristine, some relics appear untouched by time. And yet, despite the scale of the discovery, scientists believe they've only uncovered a fraction of what lies beneath. It's estimated that fully exploring and documenting the city could take up to 2 centuries. But what caused this great city to sink? Some suggest a massive earthquake, others a powerful tsunami. The mystery remains unsolved, just like Atlantis, to which Heracleion is often compared. Could Heracleion be the inspiration behind the legend itself? Circles of lights, unexplained ocean phenomena. Sometimes the sea reveals its secrets not in the form of stone or ruins, but as lights, shapes, and movement that defy explanation. One such phenomenon has been recorded since the 19th century. Enormous, rotating circles of glowing lights seen in oceans around the world. In 1879, the crew of the British warship HMS Hawke reported seeing 2 vast luminous circles in the Persian Gulf, spinning in opposite directions at an estimated speed of 80 miles per hour. Similar events were recorded in 1902 in the Gulf of Guinea, and again in 1962 by the crew of the British vessel Telemachus, who observed the lights fading slowly into the depths. Known by various names, Buddha's Wheels in Asia and Satan's Carousel in Europe, these strange glowing spirals remain a mystery. One theory attributes them to dense blooms of bioluminescent plankton, while others suggest magnetic anomalies or even underwater alien activity. Some researchers claim these glowing patches align with underwater features, deep trenches, or energy hotspots, while UFO enthusiasts believe the lights are from crafts monitoring us from beneath the ocean floor. With no definitive explanation, these glowing circles remain one of the ocean's most intriguing riddles. The Baltic Sea anomaly, a crash site or nature's oddity. In 2011, a team of Swedish treasure hunters stumbled upon something highly unusual on the floor of the Baltic Sea. Using sonar, they detected a massive, oddly shaped object about 200 feet in length resting 85 meters below the surface. Its shape was unmistakably artificial looking. Some even compared it to the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. Dubbed the Baltic Sea Anomaly, the object has baffled scientists ever since. Attempts to investigate it in person were met with bizarre challenges. All electronic equipment failed when ships got within 200 meters of the object, but began working again once they samples taken from the anomaly showed burned organic material in a basalt-like structure, possibly indicating exposure to extreme heat, perhaps from re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Could it be a crashed alien ship, a secret Nazi weapon, or simply a rare geological formation? Professor Volker Brucker of Stockholm University insists it's a glacial deposit, but many remain unconvinced. especially since research was mysteriously halted due to lack of funding. Was it truly abandoned or silenced? The Yonaguni Monument, Japan's Atlantis. In 1985, scuba divers exploring waters off the coast of Yonaguni Island in Japan made a jaw-dropping discovery: a colossal stone structure 25 meters tall and 140 meters long, resembling a terraced pyramid. Dubbed the Yonaguni Monument, the site features staircases, platforms, right angles, and even what appeared to be roads and doorways, strong indications of human craftsmanship. But here's the twist. Geological studies suggest the site is over 20 million years old. For years, debate has raged among experts. Professor Masaki Kimura of the University of the Ryukyu conducted 15 years of research and concluded the monument was man, citing carvings of animals and tools, as well as structures resembling wells and walls. Could it be the remains of a prehistoric civilization we've never even imagined? Skeptics argue it's a natural formation shaped by tectonic activity. But if that's the case, it's one of the most symmetrical and complex natural accidents ever discovered. The real question remains: who built it and where did they go? The Devil's Sea, Asia's Bermuda Triangle. You've likely heard of the Bermuda Triangle, but far fewer know about the Devil's Sea, an area just as dangerous and even more mysterious, located off the coast of Japan. This region, also known as the Dragon's Triangle, has been linked to numerous disappearances of ships, aircraft, and people. Japanese legends speak of an underwater city ruled by demons, protected by sea monsters, and guarded by ghostly storms. Fishermen tell tales of strange lights, vanishing boats, and ocean colors that change without warning. Scientific expeditions have recorded puzzling anomalies in the area: magnetic disruptions, radar blackouts, and complete absence of marine life. Even whales and birds avoid the region. In 1955, a Japanese military vessel equipped with top-grade radar and navigation systems vanished without a trace while investigating the region. It wasn't a fishing boat, it was a destroyer, crewed by professionals. Its disappearance raised alarms, and soon the Japanese government advised ships to avoid the area altogether. Is it a portal to another dimension, a natural vortex, or is there something intelligent and possibly hostile lurking beneath the waves? As much as we've learned about our oceans, there's still far more we don't know. Whether it's submerged cities, glowing spirals, alien-like anomalies, or zones where time and logic seem to unravel, the ocean continues to guard its secrets with silent determination. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle but also deepens the mystery. And perhaps that's the most thrilling part, because for every underwater wonder we uncover, a dozen more remain hidden just beyond our reach. So next time you're standing on a beach or watching the tide roll in, ask yourself, what lies just beneath the surface? A relic of a forgotten civilization, a doorway to another world, or something we're simply not meant to understand. Until next time, stay curious and keep watching the waves.